Hi friends, welcome to the Plain Fun RC channel. I'm your host Saul. We're here at Joe Nall 2025, day 8. There's a tear in my eye, folks, because it's the final day of the Nall. But let's put those tears aside. Look at something that's going to make us smile. And we're here with Ben from Flyride RC. It is the Plane Stand and Work Stand.
Yep,
Am I correct?
our RC Flyride RC field and work stand.
Field and work stand. Folks, these are really, really nice. Let me get a little closer right here. You can see they are all aluminum, which is really nice. They've got locking wheels down here, which you can see right there. And you can see just to my right how well they hold a plane. And Ben, let me ask you a question. So I see that they are adjustable. Looks like they're on bearings. Is that correct?
Yeah, they're on gantry, rolling gantry systems. So anywhere from about the middle of the stand to all the way out, you can adjust these to any position you want to accommodate any size airplane or any fuselage configuration. If you have gear doors you're trying to avoid, if you have any irregularities on the bottom of the airplane that you want to position these at to avoid, you can do that. Likewise, they're also adjustable in the vertical axis. So you can adjust these all the way up, however you want, both sides, so that you can put this at a work height that's right for you, ergonomically correct. Also, some airplanes have, they may be not level, some stands just because they have a higher back and a lower front.
Right.
You can adjust these to make the plane completely level.
Do that one more time, my friend, so the folks know. I see. Yep, that's a great idea.
And then you lock these in right here, so
right.
They won't go anywhere. Same thing with the rolling gantries. You can lock those so that they don't move at all.
That's fantastic.
So when you got your plane where you want, you can push it around the shop or out at the field. That's why we call it a field and work stand. They're perfectly accommodated at the airfield as well as in the shop.
So disassembly, I mean, is it easy to do? I mean, when you're at you're ready to pack up for the day from the field.
Exactly. So these fold up, and you should see in a second into a very compact profile that you can fit in just about any vehicle you want. So
would you be able to show us that?
Real simple. Pull these out, set them off to the side. Same thing on this one. There's a hinge point here. You pull the pin out. The leg will fold up. You slide your gantry down to the middle. The leg will fold up. There's also another pin here that you pull, and this leg
Look at that. That's so cool.
So then you put your pins back into the safety position. It'll keep them locked up.
Wow.
You have a profile.
And then the other side does the same. Oh, yeah, look how thin that is. So, folks, look how thin that is. That you could fit anywhere.
You can fit it anywhere. And they're under 10 pounds. So they're very, very rigid but very light. You go out to the field, fold it open, put your pins back in, you're good to go.
That's amazing. Folks, this is a phenomenal stand. And I'm not just saying it. Every once in a while when I'm walking around Nall, you see something that catches your eye. And we all need something to stand on, and so do our planes. And this is just fantastic. I mean, you can see the size. Do me a favor if you've been. Stand next to the bull over here so the folks at home can get a perspective just how big that jet is. And you can see how easily it accommodates it. And then and so you can see how nice of a stand this is. Wow, this is fantastic. Ben, once again, sir, stellar job on a great creation. How can folks find your stand?
Again, you can go to my website. You can Google search Flyride RC. It'll come up right away, or you go to www.flyriderc.com.
Very good. Folks, we'll have a link in the description. And Ben, thank you so much.
Thank you, Saul.
All right, friends, more to come.